Alright gang, this is a 1967 Coronet RT 4-speed 440 car with a Dana rear end. Coming up on the near completion of the refresh on this thing. Took all the top of the engine off, new alternator, detailed the horns, new horn relay, took out everything, all this, radiator, put the Chrysler wires on it, the Chrysler coil. Basically the carburetor still looks decent enough. It's under that big air cleaner, so you don't really see it. Got this all set. Wires are all routed in nice with everything, and yes, the valve covers were chrome. With the RTs in 67, that was a standard item with RT cars. The Hemi obviously got the big black wrinkle chrome ones. Also the A-body big blocks got those as well for like 68. 67 and 68, they would come with chrome valve cleaners. My mechanic friend Kurt put all the brake lines on last night, front to back, all the way. And that gave me a chance to go back and detail, get under there, and the leaf springs, the spring packs. I painted all those. Those are all very pretty and clean now. And I redid the Dana rear end. So painted the axle, cleaned it up, laid in the new brake lines and the block, the proportioning block. And so the car, yes, is very presentable. And it's nice. This lift is my mechanic friend Kurt's lift. My garage is not gabled for a regular lift, so I'm kind of constrained by that. But anyway, doesn't hold me back. Look at that. The seats are coming out, console's coming out. I've got a new shift boot going in there because that one's ripped to shreds. And I've got new console carpet because there's a big hole by the gas pedal where your foot rubs. So yeah, I'm going to do a little cleanup here. Probably do something with the steering wheel. I've got a new horn cap. And then here's the new signs I had made up. They're 3 feet by 2 feet wide. Local print shop did them and did a wonderful job on them. So yeah, it's something that you can lay out at a show, or when I sell the car, it can go to the new owner. But yeah, real black on black Coronet RT 4-speed, and very nice car, super high-end driver. And then what I did is just with the detail of the rear underneath, and this will actually pick it up a notch. You can win most any local show, but not a Concours d'Elegance. That's reserved for cars that are like completely taken apart. But anyway, it's all good, it's pretty, and there you have it, Gauze Garage. Thank you.